Dear friends, today the final competitions on IT Hackathon took place. In total, there were 17 topics, and each belongs to the urban life sphere, and guys had to prepare a site or an application, and also to find out a solution to this problem. The organizer of these competitions was Technopark Yakutia of our republic. Finally, the presentation's exciting moment has come. The presentation was in English, and a lot of guys are good at speaking English, so they could easily answer all the questions they were asked. All the judges listened with interest, and some projects impressed them very much. The very first students were from the Special Training Center of the Northeastern Federal University. Yakut's classical gymnasium student performance turned out to be very positive, so the audience loved them. For the last 25 years, the International Olympiad Tuimada has collected the most intelligent children who compete in 4 subjects. And finally, a awarding moment has come. And in the junior league, the smartest was a participant from Singapore.
I feel very honored to have the first place. I think that everyone in this competition worked hard. I encourage others to work harder, and I hope to get a better result in the future.
Guys from Romania turned out to be very active and received the most prizes. Among them, there is an absolute winner who shared her impressions.
Actually, these science games were just amazing. The organization is very good. The conditions in which they were held are also amazing. And I can say all the team of Romania are feeling very, very good in Yakutia.
All the participants were awarded with diplomas and laudable certificates. The most intelligent were awarded memorable prizes.
Lina Pillars. For the question, what is the most unique place in Yakutia? Everyone will answer the Lina Pillars. Lina Pillars is a National Nature Park UNESCO World Heritage and Yakutian beloved landmark. It amazes with greatness. For some people it reminds of large medieval castle, another will recall dragon fangs, and others will think about petrified stone giants. Protected area square is about 81,000 hectares and expands for 220 kilometers. Locals appreciate and take care of World Heritage because it is a national legacy.
Dear friends, today was the final evening of cultural events of the games. Our bloggers have recorded these exciting moments on their cameras.
Right now, we are at the closing of International Yakutia Science Games.
Young, we were so young when we thought that we knew how to love. Fought about anything, everything that did dysfunction. But we just gotta hold that shit. Don't let it go like this.
Share with your emotions after your win. We are so happy and excited, and we are so grateful for this prize. Yeah. Okay. Will you miss Yakutia?
Yeah, definitely. It's a really cool place with amazing people. Yeah, and it's been really fun making friends.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yeah, it's hard when you're young.
It is not a secret that the first thing that associates with Yakutia is the diamonds. People claim that the diamonds are scattered on all over the ground. However, it is not so. Yakutia produces 82% of diamonds and 30% of gold reserves of Russia. Diamond is known as world's most solid crystal. Every fourth diamond in the world is found in Yakutia. The very first diamond was found in Suntar district in 1949. The biggest foundation of diamonds located in Mirny, at quarry named Mir. Diamonds can be used like tools as well. Yakutian scientists developed methods of thermochemical refinement. For instance, surgical scalpels with diamond edges. Gold manufacturing began in 1924, and in Treasury Museum of Sakha Republic Yakutia, you may find all sorts of things like gold nuggets in the natural shape of mammoth, butterfly, duckling, etc. Sakha Republic is a place of rich history and rich land. Dear friends, so the final day of the International Intellectual Games has come, and we would like to introduce you the winners. In the International Business Game Future Diplomat, winners in the category Best Resolutions Author was named 11th class students from Suntar district of Sakha Republic Yakutia, Vadim Petrov. In the nomination Best Delegate, the winner is student of 10th grade of Kaliningrad, Zemkina Arena. In the direction of robotics, the places were distributed as follows. The first place was taken by the secondary school from Berdigastat village of Gorny district of Sakha Republic Yakutia. The second place was awarded to Tunyulu Secondary School of Megina-Kangalaski district of Sakha Republic Yakutia. Third place goes to Republican Lyceum Boarding School.
Permafrost. Can you imagine walking in the real palace made of ice while it is 30 degrees Celsius outside? It is possible in Yakutia. Kingdom of Eternal Frost is unique place where you may transfer at once from hot summer day to coldest winter night. It's all because of the ice that never melts even at the hottest summer sun. There are things to see in the kingdom walls. Floors and the ceiling are all made of the ice also. Ice sculptures, royal ice throne, slides, and of course Lord of Frost Chishan. Would you like to take a sip from the ice glasses? Only here you can feel true Arctic climate and breeze of harsh Yakutian winter.